In this video, we fix the Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. So first, we need to go to run as administrator. So click Valorant and go to properties, and in this compatibility tab, click it, and you can see the disable full screen optimization and run the program as administrator tab. Enable these two options and click OK. And after next, check Vanguard is running. So in this we go to task manager and click startup apps. Yes, click it, and in this you need to scroll down and check VG train. Yes, the bottom side, click it, and it should be in enable. So if it's disable mode, you need to enable this one. Yes, and next you need to click run, and in this appwiz.cpl is that. You need to write this and click OK. And in this you need to go to Riot Vanguard. So in this you need to uninstall. If once you open Valorant, it will reinstall Vanguard automatically. So don't panic. So you uninstall this and after go to run and click service.msc. Yes. Click it. And in this you see VGC is that. You need to restart that. Yes, click on restart. Once it's restart completed, close it and check for update like Windows update setting. Go to Windows update settings, and in this check for update is that is need to click the check for update is already up to date, so you need to keep this. So this is how after restart is.